Coffee is a daily essential in the lives of many modern individuals with a hectic schedule. It wakes you up in the morning and provides you with a much-needed jolt that boosts your energy throughout the day to keep you from falling asleep at your desk or forgetting to pick up your kids from school or soccer practice. With a coffee maker, you can brew your own coffee from the comfort and convenience of your own kitchen without having to spend $5 on an expensive coffee drink from a coffee shop. Keurig Top Best Coffee Makers. You can effortlessly brew several cups of coffee with one touch using this innovative Keurig coffee machine. Featuring simple, intuitive button controls and a 48-ounce water reservoir capacity, you can brew up to 8 cups of coffee before having to refill. This coffee maker is equipped with a removable drip tray to prevent spills and messes on your countertop. It also includes an auto-off feature that can be programmed to automatically turn off the coffee maker. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker, Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Brewer, 6 to 10 ounces. Material plastic brand Keurig, color rhubarb voice command buttons item weight 2 pounds. About this item, brews multiple K-Cup pod sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounce. The most popular K-Cup pod brew sizes. Use the 6-ounce brew size to achieve the strongest brew. Large 48-ounce water reservoir allows you to brew 6+ cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. The water reservoir is removable, making it easy to refill whenever you need to. Descaling, an important part of cleaning your Keurig brewer. This process helps to remove calcium deposits or scale that can build up inside a coffee maker over time. Auto-off. An auto-off feature is easily programmed to turn off your coffee maker after it has been idle for 2 hours, helping to save energy. Removable drip tray. Simple button controls. Just insert a pod, select your desired cup brew size, and brew a great tasting cup in under a minute. Keurig K Cafe Special Edition Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee. About this item: special edition. Complement your kitchen with the premium nickel-colored finish, metal handle and drip tray. 4 cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, and 12-ounce simple button controls. Just insert any K-Cup pod and use the button controls to brew delicious coffee or make hot or iced lattes and cappuccinos. 120V large 60-ounce water reservoir allows you to brew 6 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Smart Start. Your coffee maker heats, then brews in one simple process. No need to wait for it to heat before selecting your cup size. Energy efficient. Programmable auto-off feature automatically turns your brewer off 2 hours after the last brew for energy savings. Travel mug friendly. Accommodates travel mugs up to 7.2 inches tall and is top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. 16.7 inch, compatible with the My K-Cup universal reusable coffee filter. Brew your own ground coffee. Brewer maintenance reminder alerts you when it is time to descale your coffee maker. Descaling is an important process that removes built-up calcium deposits, ensuring the best tasting brew possible. Compatible with the My K-Cup universal reusable coffee filter. Brew your own ground coffee. 3 Keurig K Duo Essentials Coffee Maker with single-serve K-Cup pod and 12-cup carafe brewer. Black. About this item: brew an 8, 10, or 12-cup carafe and an 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup. The 60 ounces water reservoir is shared between the single-serve and carafe brewing, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Auto-off feature for both your brewer and your heating plate. Turns your brewer off 1 minute after the last single cup brew and turns your heating plate off 2 hours after the last carafe brew. Compare with similar items. Keurig K Select Coffee Maker brews multiple cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. Enjoy the most popular cup sizes, all with quiet brew technology, minimizing noise during use. Strong brew kicks up your coffee strength and intensity. Large 52 ounces. Water reservoir allows you to brew 5 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Simple button controls. Just insert a pod, select your desired cup size, and brew a great tasting cup in under a minute. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Dispense hot water. Open and close the brewer handle without a pod and select your cup size for hot water on demand. Keurig K Duo Plus Coffee Maker. What's in the box? 12-cup thermal carafe and mesh reusable ground coffee filter included with your brewer cup and a carafe. Use both ground coffee and K-Cup Pod Strong Brew. Brew a stronger, more intense single cup and carafe multiple brew sizes. Brew a 6, 8, 10, or 12 cup carafe and a 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounce cup multi-position 60 ounce. Water reservoir can be positioned to the right, left, or along the back of the brewer to optimize counter space. 12 cup thermal carafe included with your brewer and keeps coffee warm for up to 2 hours. Programmable carafe auto brew. Program your coffee maker to automatically brew a carafe up to 24 hours in advance. Pause and pour. Automatically pauses your coffee maker mid-brew for 20 seconds, allowing the carafe to be poured. Smart start. Your coffee maker heats, then brews in one simple process. No need to wait for it to heat before selecting your cup size.